What's up everyone, welcome to the part 9 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone. And build an Android application which is going to be your first very own application. Actually, we build one application that says hello world, but right now we are going to understand about the version of Android. If you are being an Android developer and if you don't know about Android versions, that will be pretty messed up. So right now and explain you about all of the version names, and it is going to appear in APIs and differentiate about API levels right now, because that is going to be very messed up for your mind. So I'm going to go and just see the names. And first of all, there was 1.1 and so on, but let's just keep it name as alpha and beta. Then it started from C, D, E, F and G, and right now it is at nugget. So after L, M, N, after N it comes O. So next version of Android is going to come with the name of O, and it is going to be a desert name or sweets. From sweets find out sweets name or hot chocolates and so on. You will find out whatever the things which has been desert, it is going to and come up with that name. So it is going to go from A to Z. So I wonder what will they do after Z. So that doesn't matter, but right now it is at nugget. Cupcake, donut, eclair, froyo. At froyo, Android becomes much more popular and it came inside the market from that gingerbread. So I started using Android from gingerbread. Then comes honeycomb and so on. So right now we will go and look forward to how we are going and develop Android application. And close this one. I was thinking, what should I use for making an application, as we are going to be a developer of Android. So I was looking forward to some images which is going to be applied inside our Android phone. So I thought this is good, but after you have been a developer, then only you can use this one. Of course I'm joking, you can download it anyway. So I'm going to use this image. I searched on Google and find out this image. I found this image pretty nice, so if you want I'll add the link in the description so you can follow this image, same image, or you can find out any image you like. You can use your very own image as well. And second thing I want to say, always keep that image will be in the size of KB and try to make it use of PNG image. It doesn't matter if you use PNG image or whatever, Android Studio is going to maintain it and just going to look forward to whatever the image is. It is going to be very sharp at using, it doesn't matter, PNG, JPEG, GIF or so on any other ways. Android Studio is going to handle with that, and you just have to give it a part of this application. So all you have to do is save that image. So it is going to be saved inside my desktop that says Android JPG. Okay, it's fine with me, and save that one. So it has been saved inside my desktop. And just go ahead and copy this image, open up my Android Studio. I know Android Studio takes a while to load, but my Android Studio is open right now. But before we can create some application, I would like to do some settings inside your Android Studio. I'm not doing any downloads, so don't be angry with me. Alright, and click on settings. Go inside your editor, open it up, open up your generals and go to auto import. All you have to do is click on import pop-ups and just go ahead and click everything whatever comes over here and then hit on apply. Next we are going to and look for the appearance. What you have to do is click on show line numbers, show method separators, and if you want you can use this one as well. So I don't want this one, then hit on apply. So next up what we have to do is, so that's wrapped up with doing all the settings, and then hit OK. So right now we are done with doing settings inside your Android Studio, and I hope this is going to work inside it, but right now I have not used my emulator. What do you have to do is open up your VirtualBox and then use your Genymotion. It's gonna take some time to load. New version is available, of course. Download it later on after this video maybe, and click on start and open it up. Then switch this part and look forward to Android Studio. So as we have copied that image, what do you need to do is open everything up. So it is recommended that use project, but right now as we are just looking forward to how this Android Studio is looking, that is going to be inside manifest and Gradle script. So from that, if it is not appearing, click on projects, so this will come up, and from here you can click on project. If you click on project, it is going to ensure whatever the files it is coming up with, folder to folder, folder to folder. I hope you got my point. Minimize this one and open up the Genymotion, so it's gonna load up and forward to Android Studio. So right now we are going to go inside the design, and here you see it is taking longer size. So what do you have to do is just go with Nexus 5X. So that's what I'm using. I'm not using, that's what emulator I'm going to use for it. We are going to use Genymotion for that, and Genymotion is and appear that one for us. Open up whatever is inside this app. So there is manifest Java resource file. So I have copied that image and create new drawable resource. Just skip on this. It's better you have just copied this one and use keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl V, so it automatically find out that Android Studio is there, where the folder is going to be inside my application. Just hit on apply. So there you see Android JPG is applied over there. And switch to text view and design view. There are two steps, design view and text view. In text view we can find out this text view, button, toggle button, checkbox, and whatever we saw in the previous video which was getting messed up. All you have to do is click and drag, so it is going to and generate whatever will be wrap contained. You have the option of match parents and wrap contained. All you have to do is scroll it and find out text view and change the text. Because it's text view, it is going to and use text view. If you want, you can use the size. If you want to and view all properties, you have the option of that one as well. So if you find it this one, there is some error, as you can see, some hard copied text view and so on. It is going to give you the warning, but you can skip on that also. I know this video is getting longer and longer, so in this next video and directly use Android Studio and just run an application for that. So see you guys in the next video.